What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are gonna go out and race a 2019 Camaro SS. He hasn't gotten a tune yet, but he got some headers in. I don't know if he has a cold air intake yet, but anyways, he's pretty much stock. We're gonna go run him. It's the 10 speed, and I kind of want to see where my car is at. So let's get this party going. Alright guys, just pulled up to the gas station. I'm waiting on him now. He's probably gonna pull up here in a bit. He said he's close by, so let's go ahead and put some gas. I'm only gonna be running 93. I'm about to fill up with 93 only. So this thing is super fucking clean. Even though it's dirty, that bitch still fresh. What's going on? You look like you're half asleep. Holy shit, bro. Yeah, I'm putting 93 in only. There's no 85 around here anyways. Yeah, no. What the hell? That bitch is... I don't know if I should fill up the whole tank though. Are you? Nah, probably like half a tank at least. Okay, cool. You know what I mean?
I think I'm at half a tank.
Nice.
It's all dirty.
Yeah, but you can't like in the fucking camera, that shit looks good. You know what I mean? Damn, alright, I think we're gonna cut it here. That's the MSD?
Yeah.
Damn, that's nice.
So right
that's
now,
the same one that what's his name was rocking before?
Yeah.
Before you got the Holly?
Yeah. Yeah, so that's all I got is the MSD and the headers, no tune.
Yeah.
I didn't want to change anything out because I'm putting a supercharger on, so I didn't want to have to.
No, yeah, I got you, bro. That's fucking badass, bro. It looks clean. It's fucking nice.
It's getting there.
So for the supercharger, it comes like with different intake and shit?
Yeah, it's gonna mount here.
Damn, dude. And it mounts on top of that?
It doesn't mount on top. It's a centrifugal style, so it's gonna sit here. It looks like a turbo.
Okay, I got you. Yeah, no,
but it's still belt driven like a supercharger.
Yeah.
So it's gonna look like a turbo here and have the intercooler down.
So it's like a kind of like those vortex chargers.
Yeah.
Basically.
Exactly.
The big ass ones down here. Yeah, dude, that's gonna be crazy.
That's why I decided to go with the intake.
Yeah.
So that I have them both.
Damn.
So it looks good too. Plus it's red, so.
Yeah, no, I don't know why. I didn't even heard about the MSDs until he got it, and then I started like looking at them more often. Yeah, it must be good for these sections.
I got a new 103 millimeter, the K-Tech.
Really?
For the OT one. Yeah.
Damn,
that's gonna go on when the supercharger goes on.
That's gonna be
I have
crazy.
the E85 connected back here.
Oh, for real? So you already got everything?
Yeah, but it's not wired up yet.
Yeah.
So I'm waiting for all that shit so I can get it tuned.
Right. No, yeah, you gotta do it all at once. That's crazy, bro. But yeah, I mean, we can go to Mexico. Is it out here? 45? thought it was flu, bro. Crazy. Alright guys, well, that's exactly what it was. I didn't know. Hey, the guy couldn't do it.
I was like, what the fuck?
Hey, thank God it was this.
I know, right?
Shit, I thought it was something else, bro.
He was like, I thought
Bro, I told you something flew. And that motherfucker, bro.
It sounded loud.
Oh, yeah, he's so excited. Hell yeah. Oh, shit, dude. So it's naked now. It's ugly. Yeah, I didn't notice. I'm like, what's that big giant fucking thing doing in the fucking middle, bro? My splitter.
Hey, weight reduction.
I know. Now I have a chance, guys. Damn, dude. Shit, that was crazy, bro. Huh?
What do you want to do?
I don't know. I mean, what do you think about it so far?
They're pretty close.
I know, it's really hard, dude, because sometimes you put it on me, sometimes I put it on you. It's weird, bro. Like, I feel on the top end, like I'm coming up, and then sometimes, like on the bottom end, I come up, and then you come up, and it's like, it's weird.
See, I know you have more power, but the 10-speed auto keeps me in the power band.
Yeah.
When you shift, it drops you really low on the gear versus mine keeping me higher. So it keeps me at a steady pace.
Your shit, yeah, like when I'm going, as soon as I shift, you're like, bam, bam, bam. So you're already like in your power band. So you're fucking all the way through. You're just staying through. Yeah.
Well, yours has to drop below.
That's what I'm crazy. That's what I'm saying. Drop and then start going. And then as soon as I start going up, start catching up, and then that's when you just start keeping it up. It's like
I know if we hold it and you go all the way through your fourth, you'll get me.
yeah, I think I'll get you by a little bit, but it's really hard to do long because my brakes are Alright guys, I'm back. We're gonna do one last run before I head home, so let me put my GPS. That's crazy. Can't believe I lost my front lip. But oh well, man. I mean, I'm impressed that my car is actually keeping up with them. I think that the 10-speed Mustang and the 10-speed Camaro, man, that's gonna be a really good race because I raced the 10-speed Mustang and I would barely get him. But same deal with him, I'm like barely getting him. So it's like, that's crazy. I guess it's all down to who's the better driver. You know what I mean? But I want to see that. I want to see this 10-speed versus 10-speed because I've seen so many videos out there, but I want to see some good fair races. I want to see it big, 30, 40, 60, 50, you know what I'm saying? Different roles. Thank God that it was nothing engine related. That thing fucking moves. Alright, that's crazy, bro. fourth gear, I start to come up, but there ain't no space. That's what Tyler gets me. Yeah, bro. It's crazy, bro. There's a car coming. Well, huh? Alright, take it easy, bro. Alright guys, so there you guys have it. That was on the top end. So it's going to be up to them to see which one has a better top end. I hope you guys enjoyed the video though. Stay tuned for the next one. Please